Honorable Sir, Ma'am, and all my dear friends, a very pleasant good morning to one and all present here. Let me introduce first. This is Himanshu Nednurwar, a student of Sri Sai Polytechnic Chandrapur, and I am pursuing Polytechnic second year. Guys, today I am standing here for my presentation, and the topic of my presentation is the importance of higher education. So, you are requested to listen to me carefully. So let me start. In this competitive world, we all know the importance of higher education. Education plays a vital role in our life and shaping our life and personality. Education is very important for getting a good position and job in this society. Education opens many ways of success in our life. It not only improves your personality, but it upgrades us mentally, spiritually, and intellectually. Every person wants to get success in his life, but success can be got only through earning proper education. There are mainly three types of education. One is formal education, second is non-formal education, and then informal education. Formal education is basically process of learning where a person learns basic academic basics or trade skills. Formal education or non-formal education learnings begins at the elementary level and the continues till college or university. It comes under a certain set of the rules and regulations, and it may grant a formal degree after completion of the courses. It is given by specially qualified teachers and under strict discipline. And informal education in the type of education in where people are not studying in a specific school or college, or do not use any particular learning method. A father teaching his son how to ride a bicycle, car, and mother's teaching how to cook comes under this category of formal education and non-formal education. Non-formal education is just a program like adult basic education, adult literacy education, and non-formal education includes home education, distance learning, fitness program, community-based adult education courses, etc. Non-formal education has no age limit, and the timetable and syllabus of this type of education can be adjustable. Moreover, it has no age limit, and that's all about my presentation, guys. So I will not take much of your time, and will end here. Thank you, sir, for giving me such a golden opportunity and express my opinion on the given topic. And I'm also thankful to you guys for listening me very calmly and carefully. Once again, thank you so much and have a nice day.